Hi friends in Canada. Specifically, this is for you. So, I'm a Canadian and I acquired a US-based business last year in September. A great publishing company with great employees who are dedicated to the job of creating content to help small businesses succeed. That's why I bought Bobit Business Media. I'm passionate about helping businesses succeed. And quite frankly, the tariff situation between Canada and the United States and Mexico and around the world, but specifically my Canadian brothers and sisters and neighbors, I find that now is the time that I can do some support for you. So while my publication assets are designed to reach an American audience, many of you in Canada also sell to an American audience, and you have great products, and those products can't be replaced by an American alternative. And Americans that are watching this right now, these products are great, and you can't second source them. So we need to help make this work. We have got to adjust to this new normal. And at minimum, I want to help my Canadian friends out, and I want to help the Americans out who love these Canadian-made products. So reach out to me, colin.sutherland@bobit.com. And by the way, there's some research that we're doing right now. It's called Dear Neighbour. It's about 15 different questions asking Canadian businesses what you want your American business counterparts to know about you. And I think it's important that we share perspective here, and that this is not platitudes, not politics, it's just perspective. So we will be issuing that out broadly across the response to the survey, across all of our assets here at Bobit Business Media at the end of April. Right now we're data gathering. We've had some good responses already to the survey. I more than welcome you to ping me, email me, and say, I want to be involved in that survey. Please send me the survey. I will happily do that. So again, folks, we're in this together, North Americans all the way. Let's do this, okay? Thanks.